Good day, class. Sir Kebs here. So before we dive into the main topic, which is the value proposition, let me first introduce you to the business model canvas. So the business model canvas is it is a strategic management tool for defining and communicating business idea or concept quickly and effectively. This is a one-page document, as you can see on the first slide. Okay, that this model goes through the fundamentals of a business or product, laying forth an idea in a logical manner. It was invented by Alex Osterwalder, a Swiss business theorist and entrepreneur, as part of his PhD research. So ayan si Alex. And this model canvas aims to assist firms to align their activities through illustrations of potential trade-offs. So before we discuss the value proposition, let us first uh, know the stages or the buying consideration process of customers. Okay, so number one, or the first stage is need. So kailangan mo na magkaroon ng awareness. So nagkakaroon muna ng awareness yung mga buyer or customers. Like for example, yung ginawa natin doon sa customer journey map. So, yung unang step, di ba? So, we need first to identify ano ba yung need natin or ano ba yung need ng isang customer. For example, need niya ba bumili ng bagong mobile gadget, bagong internet, bagong parts para sa kanilang ginagawang uh, research or technology. Okay? So next stage is yung paghanap ng mga benefits. So dito sa stage na to, the customer identifies and weighs the benefits that a product or that the product of a certain company offers. So dito na tinitingnan ng customer, ano ba yung mga features ng mga hindi lang features, ano ba yung makukuha ko kapag ako isang customer, ano ba yung makukuha ko out of this product. So yun yung mga tinitimbang niya. Next one is the choice criteria. So it depends on the social image, persona, or current personal standard ng isang tao or isang customer. So and pati rin yung kanilang current emotional situation. So madalas ginagamit to ng mga big companies uh, para i-hype yung emotions. For example, kapag magpa-product launch pala, ang daming pa-teaser video na ginagawa ng mga companies, particularly itong Apple. So ginagawa nilang strategy yung pag-hype ng emotional customer. Like malayo pa lang ano sila ng pre-order para kapag launch ng kanilang product ay pipilahan talaga sila. So kagaya sa nangyari sa ibang lugar, particularly in Metro Manila, kapag may nilaunch na bagong model yung Apple, like yung iPhone, ngayon iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, sobrang haba talaga ng pila. Umaga pa lang, nakapila na tong mga loyal customer ng Apple. So, next stage is in the product and service feature. So, this naman this is all about the perception of the buyers on the product. Like for instance, yung physical appearance niya, the quality and the delivery and also the price. So, 'di ba nung nag-customer journey map kayo, uh, kinonsider ng iba yung time of delivery, and then yung sa reviews din yung appearance, if uh base ba din sa mga nakapost doon na reviews, ah, maganda ba yung product na na-receive ng other customer. So, dun sa ano, nagtitingin-tingin na sila ng mga features ng product versus dun sa pinopost sila online. So, minsan ano, iba sa personal din yung mga product na sila pag lalo na online natin binili. So, ito yung stage na yun yun na yung tinitingnan ng customer. So, last stage naman is yung supplier brand. So, dito, kinoconsider nila yung ano, brand or sino ba yung supplier. Like for example, yung iba nag-present sa inyo, kinonsider nila na ano, bumili online kasi walang available na ano, na stock doon sa ah, local stores sa kanilang lugar. So, mas kinonsider nila online na lang kasi mas, and then may mga ang tawag dito, discounts din na ina-offer sa online. Like free delivery and free 20% discount, mga ganun kapag ganito yung items na binili mo. So, and pati din yung brand. So yung brand kasi is, ano din, like, is considered as a trademark. So, pag meron ka isang trademark, meron kang pinapangalagaan na reputation. So, when you have a good trademark, it also build trust sa inyong customers. Or gagamit mo siya para sa pag-convert ng mga customers mo into loyal customers, di ba? So, it is important to build a good reputation and image ng ating company or ng ating products and services. So let us first define what is value. So value is a function of intrinsic, ibig sabihin from the inside, galing sa atin, sa loob natin. So it may be doon sa mga features, service, sa price. So uh, iba-iba siya sa iba-ibang tao. So you ca- for a certain, di ba may minsan sinasabi natin na ano, may sentimental value ang isang bagay. So kahit na napakaluma na ng isang bagay, para sa atin special siya. May attach, kumbaga mayroon tayong attachment sa isang item or sa isang product. So, sa iba, wala siyang value kasi luma na nga yan, ba't mo pa favorite yan, ganun. So, ganun, parang ganun din sa ano. That's how uh, value, ano, sa, ganun yung iba-iba yung pag-value natin sa isang product or tangible product sa ibang tao. So, the value also determines the net satisfaction derived from a transaction. So, the value of a product or service is determined how much people think it's worth it to them. So, di ba kapag ano tayo, pumipili tayo ng product, tingin tayo na worth it ba to bibilihin ko? So, will it last for years kapag binili ko to or madali ba siyang masira? So, uh, dito sa value na to, dito din na-determine kung ano ba yung benefits or solutions na makakuha natin once na binili natin yung product. So on the other hand, the cost of the product or service is what people have to give up. So willing kang i-give up yung time, so yung ease of use, and yung risk, and then yung money to get those benefits. So ito yung mga factors that they weigh when deciding if it's worth buying ba yung product na yun or availing of the services. So therefore, value equals benefit minus cost. So how do we create value? So value is like uh, a measuring gauge to customers that indicates the satisfaction level of a product or service. So the expectation and experience of customers derived from the use of the offerings provide is a great influence in the satisfaction of a customer. That in the case, satisfaction outweighs the cost in the purchase. this statement conveys that customer satisfaction is significantly impacted by expectations, actual experience while they use the product or while using the product or services. So this emphasizes that in such situations, the level of satisfaction a customer feels is more important than the cost of the purchase. So in other words, how happy a customer is with what they bought is considered more significant than the price they paid for it. So ganun yon. So here are the steps in creating value. First, we need to understand the customer. So this one requires, or this step requires a deep knowledge and understanding about the customer. So even yung little information uh, about their dreams, worries, favorite food or color is an example. So pati din yung opinion nila. So ay essential sa pag uh, develop ng value offerings. So next one, so you have to know your differentiation. So this step requires a deep knowledge of how and why the company is different among its competitors. So dito na gagawin natin yung competitive advantage and disadvantage. So we have to identify those para makapag craft tayo ng magandang value proposition. So third one is you have to quantity quantify. Sorry, mali yung quantify the differentiators. So this is done from the customer's point of view, where revenue gains, cost reduction, and emotional distributions are interpreted to customer financial terms. So ano ibig sabihin nito? So it suggests analyzing a situation or approach from the customer's point of view is important. So it involves translating gains, revenue, reduction in cost, and emotional contributions to the financial terms that the customer can relate to or understand. So essentially, it's about presenting the benefits or impacts in a way that it is clear and meaningful to the customer in terms of financial. Okay, last one is communicating effectively the differentiated value could lead to persuasion of customers. So dito dapat patunayan natin na yung product natin is the one that they need. Okay? Or it is exactly the one that could satisfy their needs. So kailangan natin ibigyan ng emphasis or we have to communicate it effectively sa ating mga customers or target customers. So yun yung kahalagahan pagkakaroon ng magandang value proposition. So later on, malalaman nyo kung ano ba yung criteria ng isang value proposition. So, okay. So this is the value proposition builder model. So this model will also help you in crafting your value proposition. So first, okay, the first stage is of course, we have to identify our market. So we have to categorize them. So they some have specific groups So ano ba sino ba itong mga customers na tina-target natin? Anong specific group sila? So kailangan natin i-categorize pa. So next one is yung value. So we have to mas pagtuunan natin yung pansin, yung benefits na pine-perceive ng ating mga customers. So sabi nga nila, beauty daw is in the eye of the beholder. So dapat mas kina-consider natin yung expectations and experiences ng ating mga customers. So in this stage pala, it requires to take a view or take a look on the other side, and we have to visualize the customer's perception about the offer. So some companies do in surveys, interviews from a number of customers para in some way makakagather sila ng information at maunawaan nila yung experience ng mga customers. So this will give significance naman sa pag-develop ng magandang value proposition. So third stage is the offerings. So this is where this is the product service mix that you are selling. So this is then where your product and services are identified and categorized to understand yung life cycle, yung threats, yung mga requirements in developing new offering. So it is also recommended sa mga companies na i-review yung profitability ng isang product or services. So kailangan natin siya i-rank kung ano ba dito yung mga kailangan na nating tanggalin na or for extension or mas i-prolong yung offerings na in-offer. So next one is the benefits. So this is how your offering delivers clear value to customers. So mahalaga na mas nakikita ng customer yung benefit nila and magkaroon ng magandang experience from those benefits. So that potential benefits can provide a room for growth as the suggested benefits from customer. So madaming from customer talaga yung dapat nating pagtuunan kasi customer focus tayo dito sa benefits. So next one is the alternative and differentiation. This is how you will differentiate your product and services from other alternatives. So ano ba yung meron ako na wala sila? So ano ba yung competitive advantage ko sa kanila? So ako, for example, may mga features ako na wala dun sa isang product. So ako lang yung may unique na may ganang product. So they cannot win against me kasi ako lang meron nun. So maganda na ma-identify natin yung novelty ng ating product o yung uniqueness ng ating mga products and services para ma-monopolize natin yung market. And last but not the least, okay, yung proof. So kailangan magkaroon ng substantiated credibility and believability of your offering. Halimbawa, for example, di ba yung madalas natin makita sa commercials, which is yung Ariel, Tide, and other detergent powders, di ba? They use parang demonstration, parang for example, when compared to other products, when you use our product, mas maganda yung result. So, merong mga parang laboratory test na pinapakita para mas mapatunayan na yung kiniklaim nilang benefit and features na po from that product ay totoo talaga. Okay? So now, punta na tayo sa main topic natin, which is the value proposition. So the value proposition, so this is the value that you promise to deliver to your customers post-purchase. So pakabili dapat ng product, ito yun na yung value proposition. So we have 3 criterias po. Number 1, the value proposition must be specific. So ano ba yung mga specific benefits na makukuha? Okay. Ano ba yung mga specific benefits na makukuha ng target customers natin sa ating products and services? So second criteria, it must be pain focused. So ano ba yung sinosolve na problema ng ating product? So, sinosolve ba nito yung problema ng mga customers natin para ma-improve yung quality of life nila? So kailangan yung value proposition natin must state that our product and services can fix their problem. So, next criteria is it must be exclusive. So, ano ba sila? How is it both desirable? How well does it highlight your competitive advantage and set you apart? So, kanina nga sinasabi na yung competitive advantage natin. So, dapat nakikita. So, exclusive lang siya sa product natin or sa company ninyo. Okay? So, the value proposition oftentimes called the heart of the model canvas. Diba sa kanina sa taas? And eto, as you can see, nasa gitna siya yung value proposition. So, it refers to the product or service that firms intends to offer to its customers' needs. So, it is very unique to an organization as it set it apart from its competitor. So, dapat yung gagawin nating value proposition must be unique. So, wala siya sa iba. Kayo lang ang meron noon. Yung company lang na yon ang nag-o-offer ng ganong serbisyo. So, kaya mas mahalaga na ma-define talaga ninyo ano ba yung unique at competitive advantage nyo versus doon sa mga alternatives. So, di ba yung previous example ko sa inyo is yung Uber, and then yung alternative niya is yung Grab. So, ano ba yung in terms of value proposition, ano ba yung nakikita natin unique sa kanilang dalawa? So, if you're going to conduct research about that, mas maganda para makita natin talaga ano ba siya sa point of view natin, like sa broad hindi natin agad ma-determine kung ano yung nagkaiba nila kasi they offer the same services naman, diba? So baka din sa mga benefits and offerings sila, doon sila may pinagkaiba. So kapag nag-conduct na ng research about that, maybe malalaman natin talaga. So the value proposition is a business or marketing statement used by a firm to explain why a customer should buy a product or use a certain service. So the value proposition is believed to have originally appeared in the paper or on the research paper of McKinsey and Co. in 1998. So they defined value proposition as a clear basic description of the company's concrete and intangible benefits, as well as the estimated price it will charge each client segment for those benefits. So, ito yung itsura ng value proposition canvas. So, sa gagawin nyo later on or later, mas detailed yung may gagawin nyo. So, meron pa niyang sa baba. So, konti lang naman yun. So, this value proposition canvas was also developed by Alexander Osterwalder. So, this canvas aims to assist in developing value proposition that match the customer's needs, the jobs to be done, and give suggested solution to their problems. So, dapat yung pains, gains, and customer jobs or the jobs to be done by the customer uh, should have solution dun sa value proposition side natin. So ano nga ba yung what makes a good value proposition? So prominently, it must be displayed on a company's website as well as other consumer touch points. Yung other consumer touch points natin is pwedeng nasa physical store naka-display or nakalagay sa mga apps, kung merong mobile application yung isang company, sa mga advertising materials, sa social media platforms nila, and dapat yung value proposition natin must be intuitive. Ibig sabihin ng intuitive, kailangan unang basa pa lang naintindihan na agad ng isang customer yung ibig sabihin mo. Ano ba yung mga benefits? Paano ba ka matutulungan ng product or ng company ninyo? So, nandun na yan sa statement na yun. So, here's an example of a value proposition. So, in the form of a statement. So, we help our local customers to feel good and do good by fueling them up with artisanal coffee in a community-focused space. So here you can observe that the main headline states that what the company wants to do. So kailangan sa state na daw yung ano yung gustong gawin ng company. Okay, so doon we help our local customers to feel good and do good. So under nun yung next sub-headline ng example kanina. So that will often that focus on the description of the delivered value and providing specific example why the product or service is superior to others the consumer is considering. So in yung statement, by fueling them up with artisanal coffee and a community focused space. So another example po, itong framework from Harvard. So this is from Harvard Business Schools Institute for Strategy and Competitiveness. Pwede na itong gamitan sa write or pag-craft ng inyong value proposition. But for this this topic, iba yung gagamitin yung template sa pag-create ng value proposition. So another sa paggawa ng value proposition is itong formula ni Steve Blanks o tinatawag Steve Blanks formula. So this strategy tries to rely on the founder's gut instinct in putting up a value proposition. Ito yung formula niya. So we help X do Y by doing Z. So X represents the type of people or customers you are trying to sell your product. Yung Y naman represents the benefit the products delivers. Yung Z, the type of product or services, the main feature. Ano ba yung feature na i-highlight mo? So, it's an example from Uber. Sige, ginamit ko yung Uber. So, sa ng value proposition using yung formula Steve. So, we help X do Y by doing Z. So yung first, yung X niya dito, sino ba yung tinutulungan ng Uber? Sino yung target customer nila or target market? So ang gusto nilang tulungan ay yung mga urban commuters and travelers. So ano yung benefits na makukuha ng mga urban commuters and travelers? So they will get they will efficiently reach their destination. So ano yung main feature ng ng product or service nila? So their main feature is to provide convenient and reliable ride-hailing platform. So ganyan lang kadali siya. Pero dapat para mas maintindihan nyo, you need to uh, use the value proposition para sa matulungan din kayo sa pag-craft ng value proposition statement mo. So, for example, ito naman, which is yung smart glass. So, which, di ba, kaka-launch lang no, if nakita niyo yun sa TikTok or sa Facebook, yung bagong launch ng Ray-Ban in partnership bata or in partnership with Meta. Okay, so yung smart glass na yun can have ba yun? Kita mo na yung mga messages, can translate yung nakikita mo, yung mga text, siguro mas matutulungan yung while on the go and mas mapaprotektahan din yung privacy. Diba? No need to open your mobile phones just to see the message. Mas ikaw lang nakakakita talaga ng and yung nakita ko din sa is yung may camera yung smart glass, which is pag ginagamit na din siya for yung may mahilig sa live streaming, yan, sa mga vloggers dyan. So, ayan. So, here's an example if you have a product na smart glass. So, here's an example ng value proposition statement. So, ito yung ginawa ko. So, we help professionals and tech-savvy individuals. So, yun yung gusto tulungan ng smart glass na to? Yung mga professional and tech-savvy individuals. So, ano ba yung benefit na makuha nila from that smart glass? They will get stay seamlessly connected and access information on the go. So, ano pa? Paano nila mag-provide tong by providing a sleek smart glasses with AR capabilities and intuitive interfaces, ultimately boosting their efficiency and productivity. Ayan. So, yun yung samples kung meron kayong product, nagagawa niyo ng value proposition statement. So, ito yung gagawin nyo. Here's an example. So, I will provide you the template. So, may mga naman yun. May mga guide questions na sa paglagay niyo ng mga details. So, by group po yun na gagawin ninyo. So, please po gamitin niyo yung sa capstone nyo na technology po. Hindi po yung galing sa internet. Okay po. Pero naman kayong tumingin, but customize it po dun sa technology po. Ano yung nilagay niyo mga features ng proposed technology or devices ninyo, yun yung ilalagay nyo. So, focus muna kayo dito sa right side, sa side ng customer. So, ano ba yung kailangan mo na i-identify, ano ba yung gustong magawa ng customer? So, isang example is they want to stay connected and access information on the go, and they want to enhance their productivity and multitasking. Pero ano ba yung mga pains nila? Bakit hindi nila magawa itong jobs to be na to? So, ito yung mga, these are the things that they keep them awake, okay? So, they have a difficulty in staying connected while being on the move. So, another pain na na-identify is yung inconvenience ng pag-switch ng device from phones to your smartwatch, laptops, diba ang hassle, ang dami mong bit-bit. But with that product, yung smart glass, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-switch ng ano, kasi connected, magiging connected siya. So, yung customer gains, pag na-accomplish is magkakaroon ng seamless connectivity and access information real time. And then it will also boost through hands-free operations. Kaya, di ba, smart glass. So, no need, wala ka nang hawak kasi makaano lang siya sa ano mo, sa mata mo. Your eye wearable na siya. So, para maano to, yung pains, so ito na sa value proposition side nyo. So, para ano yung pains nila, anong gagawin nyo? So, para ma-address to, so, yung pain relievers na gagawin ninyo is, bawa, wireless connectivity to a smartphones and other devices. Diba na-address na yun? So, itong pagiging inconvenience ng pag-switch, na-address na din ito. So, intuitive user interface for easy navigation and operation. And ito naman about anong klaseng product yung i-offer nyo para matugunan tong jobs to be done sa customer side. So, you will, example is, you will offer smart glasses with integrated display and connectivity features. So, another is customizable application and interface for various needs. So, ano naman tong para makuha tong gains nila. So, you will provide augmented reality capabilities for interactive experiences and integration with personal and professional applications for enhanced productivity. And dun sa pinakita ko kanina sa inyo, wala itong nasa bottom part na to. So, ito yung additional na gagawin. So, sa product naman, dito na yung pinaka-product na is yung smart glasses with sleek design, high quality optics with AR capabilities. And lang ito. And mga features include heads-up display, voice command, seamless integration with smartphone applications. And then yung ideal customer persona. So, di ba, ito yung dun sa value proposition statement nyo. Sino ba yung target customer nila? So, di ba doon naka-identify is yung professional and tech-savvy individuals, di ba? Yun yung nakalagay doon kanina. Seeking enhanced productivity and productivity. So, and those people who frequently travel or are constantly on the move. So, katulad ko, kailangan ko siguro ng smart glass para no need na mag-switch from other device para lang makapag-access ng information and doing multitasking. So dito naman sa substitute part, lagay nyo lang dito yung yung halimbawa itong comparison ng smart glass with smartphones, smartwatches, and laptops. So ano ba yung competitive advantage nyo from other alternatives? So, i-emphasize nyo lang ano ba yung mas halimbawa ito, kayang i-provide yung hands-free, always on, and less intrusive experience. And pagdating naman sa display, larger display, and more immersive interaction. So, yun lang for this topic. So, I hope you understand the lesson. So, comment nyo lang yung comment the word watch if you finish the video. And I'll be posting the template for the value proposition. And doon yung instruction din sa ating Google Classroom. So, thank you class and have a good day.